Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I get my hair looking really thick with lots of dimension and tons of texture. I don't do my hair like a lot of women, but a lot of women ask me how I do my hair. So I really want to share this with you guys because it's really simple. And I know you'll love it. The technique that I use makes all these hairstyles that I'm going to show you possible. These hairstyles wouldn't look like this if you didn't get your hair to this volume first. That's the golden ticket. And I know there are a lot of tutorials out there talking about how you can get big voluminous hair, but those are all using curling irons and getting blowouts, and my technique and my method does not do any of that. So if you want to see my technique on how to get my hair looking like this, so you can do lots of styles with it that day or the days after, just keep watching. So if you enjoyed this tutorial and you want to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like me to do future tutorials showing you how exactly I did my hair with all of the styles at the beginning of the video with this texture after you get it prepped, please, please, please let me know. I'd be happy to go through it. They're super simple and really, really quick. You'd be amazed at what you can do when your hair is in this type of texture. I will be posting new videos weekly. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified as soon as I upload a new video. That's it for today, you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.